Hello everyone, welcome to RO Traders. We are excited to announce that we have started manufacturing of PP spun filters in Hyderabad locality. We are now supplying high quality spun filters across the country. Our spun filters are manufactured using cutting edge technology, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. And now we are inviting passionate entrepreneurs and businesses to partner with us as distributors. You can join hands with us to make a difference in the filtration industry. As a distributor, you will enjoy a range of benefits including a vast product portfolio, online marketing support, training programs and attractive margins. We'll be with you at every step of this exciting journey and help you in reaching your new goals. If you are interested to become a distributor for our high demand spun filters, and you can contact on the below given numbers to know the distributor prices and know more about the distribution ship. Please do subscribe to RO Traders. Thank you for watching.